Izinhlangano ezimbalwa engaphansi kwekomidi iBlack People's National Crisis Committee zinxusa umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuba angammisi emsebebenzini umengameli wamajaji ase-Western Cape uJohn Hlophe. Lokhu kulandela izincomo ezenziwe yikhomishana ebhekele ezobulungiswa iJSC ukuba amiswe emva kokulahlwa yicala lokungayiphathi kahle ngokuzama ukunxenxa amajaji amabili enkantolo yomthetho sisekelo asathatha umhlalaphansi. Leli komidi lithi loludaba ngolwezombusazwe hayi ezomthetho.
Basungula iphulo lezopolitiko lokuxhasa uJaji Hlophe. Lo mbutho wenza amabango okuba naliphina inyathelo lokunqumamisa uHlophe alinanto yakwenza nobulungisa koko lijongela phansi iinkqubo zomthetho ezingakaqukunjelwa zikaHlophe.
No allegation is made that the continued service by the Judge President pending the decision is bringing the judicial court and the profession into disrepute, and or it impacts negatively on the working of the division of the Western Cape that he is heading.
Project 27 ithi uHlophe makavunyelwe aqhubekeke nesibheno sakhe ese-ofisini.
As far as Project 27 is concerned, they wish to call for the President not to suspend the JP.
When you are a black legal professional, besides the stress of being a legal professional or a practitioner, sometimes you face the stress of the fact of your colonial history. And this is what this case is about.
Lo mbutho uthi uza kulithatha iphulo lawo ngomso ulise ezitalatweni ngokubamba umngcelele uye eParlamente uqukwa nokunikezelwa kwexwebhu oluchasene nokunqunyanyiswa kukaHlophe. Dinglula Mamatya wendaba ze SABC eKapa.